Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. For many repairs, you will need to remove your freezer's rear interior panel. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance. If your model has the freezer above or below the refrigerator, your first step is to remove any air ducts mounted on the freezer's rear interior panel. With the air ducts out of the way, you're now ready to remove the screws securing the rear panel. Then carefully pull the panel away from the back of the freezer. When the repair is complete, reposition the rear interior panel, secure the screws, and remount any air ducts. You're now ready to plug the appliance back in.